My name is H. Adam Wall. I'm with Quality Heating and Air Conditioning. We were founded in 1966. I grew up in the sheet metal industry making box connectors. Start was when I started when I was about 9 years old. My father always felt that I needed to go through every aspect of the business to drive the ship. We've grown considerably in the last decade and a half, from probably $2 million in sales to last year was $25 million. And we're on the same course this year. We're about halfway through the year. Did about $12.5 million so far, $30 million in backlog. So we're fortunate and successful, and we consider all our business partners to be part of that. Mestek being one of them that's a leader in the industry in developing new machinery, keeping us up with production and productivity is really where our profits come from today. You don't get it on the jobs anymore, so we need to figure out how to be more productive, produce more product more efficiently. And lately, with David Dawes' help at Mestek, they came in and gave us some ideas, and we put them into place and are staggered at the results. The Cornermatic Plus, you may or may not know, is a small corner machine. They've been in here now approximately 4 to 5 months, guessing, running like a top. My guys love them, and you took guys that were skeptic of a small corner machine. These machines get used every day. And I bought a combo machine also at the same time. Anybody in the sheet metal industry knows that if we can eliminate a step or a footprint, or any manufacturing facility for that matter, that all equates to dollars. So we had a whisper lock, vertical whisper lock, and an old Cornermatic, and Dave rebuilt our Cornermatic. It ran great. I was sitting here with one of Dave's colleagues talking about the Cornermatic deal, and he showed me a video of the combo machine and ordered one on the spot, because to me, my vice president, and I felt the same way. If we can eliminate a whole step in sheet metal manufacturing, all that is dollars.
I'm Bill Ryan, and I'm vice president of Quality Heating and Air Conditioning, Wilmington, Delaware. Well, the combo machine made a lot of sense in the fact that the amount of time that you have to be at one station versus 2 stations is 50% less. And you put them in a machine, you get the corners, you run the seam, you flip it over, you do the other corners, you're done. You've touched it 3 times instead of 6. So that's why we looked at the Cornermatic. The fact that it's quiet is, wonderful. It just, you just got rid of those noisy air hammers in the shop. Those combination of those things, but the fact that you get a good seam, you don't have to dance with it, you have to dress it up or anything, it really does a good job.
What do the guys in the shop think about the machine?
Well, they think it makes their job easier, and it's amazing. And we put one of the very hard-working young man. You might see him in the video. He's a real hustling all the time, and he just can go like all get out. I mean, you're talking probably a piece of duck in about 35, 40 seconds. We've eliminated overtime. We were working probably 2 hours a day and 8 hours on Saturday. The fact that they're working 8 hours, you're getting good productivity out of them, and the work's getting done first time right. Correct.
I'm impressed with the machine. It runs like a silent, fine-tuned machine. It just does its thing, like melted butter. It really is a great machine. In fact, I'm looking at ordering another one because I do insulated duct in a different building, and we're looking at what we're doing over there, and we're banging Pittsburgh by hand. And with the combo machine, there's no reason to bang Pittsburghs by hand and put corners in by hand anymore in this industry. The combo machine kind of takes the dumb factor out of it with your men, and it does the job for them. All they got to do is shove it in place. So it takes theoretically a piece of duct that you would consider has 5 sides to do, since you're using 2 machines down to 4 sides. So right there is a 20% savings, because you're eliminating one whole side of the duct, as well as the process of not going to another machine, which I would have to think takes 20 seconds, on average. So on each piece of default, we're eliminating 20 seconds and a whole corner. So what's that equate to me? 40, 45 seconds maybe as a guess per piece, times thousands of pieces a year. It doesn't take long with a calculator to make it a no-brainer purchase. And I commend Mestek and their team for bringing it to me. I'd buy another one, and I do need to buy another one.